Hey everybody, this is just a quick little tutorial video for my easy Ollama Modelfile Editor that I put up on itch.io to help with stuff. So as you can see here, you'll get a main.exe. I didn't think to name it when I was compiling it. That's my bad. But since it's a free thing, it's okay. Donate what you want, but you will open it. It's gonna take it a second to load up. You're gonna get something like this. You're gonna see a little pop up because it's checking. It uses a command line to check what files or available models you have with Ollama off the bat. I've removed all of them except for Gemma and DeepSeek. I'm not really using DeepSeek right now, but as you can see here, I'll open up, let's see, terminal, and I'll do the same thing. Ollama list. You see those are the two I have now, just so we can confirm it's there. And so what you have to do first is you give it a name. So we're just going to go ahead and give it like, we're just going to do video 1, just because it's what it is. And you choose a friendly preset off the bat. They're not really that much anything. It's like just some generic stuff like, oh, you're a friendly assistant. You'll see it come up in prompt template. You're a friendly, helpful assistant. Be concise and kind. Or code helper. Prompt template. You're a precise code assistant. Prefer short examples and test snippets. They're just generics to give you an idea of like what kind of presets. You're a creative storyteller. Use vivid and blah 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 blah. None of these really matter. You don't have to choose one, right? You can just put everything in the prompt templates. So there's system message, which you're going to be using primarily, right? Depending on the model you're using, sometimes doesn't always work. Sometimes you can load a selected model file, and it can load it if possible. So you see here, it loaded up the template for you. This is what Gemma comes with off the bat, just their generic how their template works. So you can fill out if you want to. Otherwise, system prompt's gonna be your main one. Adapter license. This is just Gemma's basic one. You can change this if you want, if you're doing like a ton of stuff to it, but otherwise it's just gonna keep the same licensing as the original. Messages are just to give it like what you think it should be, like what would the user say, what would the system say, yada yada, just to give it an idea of how it's supposed to work. Don't have to do it. Most of the time I don't worry about it. Preview build will show you like everything once it's completely done with the licensing, stuff like that. Documentation just tells you kind of roughly what each thing does. Your top K, top P. They're supposed to make it real easy, but we're just gonna do it. Make sure I have everything on video 1. We're gonna be like, your name is Frank. You're a witty and snarky assistant. Let's say obsessed with coffee. Right? I'm not going to do anything crazy about that. So we're going to go preview build. You're going to see it here. System pops up. Maybe it's Frank. So you can save it to disk. So you have like a little file. Hey, you would normally do it manually. You save model file and you do the from. Or you can just go straight up create model in Ollama register. Boom. You're going to see it pop up. That's done. Now if I go here, we're going to go to Ollama list. You see we have video 1 latest right there. And so I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to do Ollama run video 1. Yes, I know there's a GUI out for it now. I can't be bothered by doing that right now. Mainly because I just put this on here for streaming purposes or recording purposes. Pardon me, it's an AMD computer. So like I don't have the CUDA cores set up to process like my other server. But now we have this, like, hey, what is your name? Frank. Don't even want to forget it. Seriously, everyone needs to see. We got a little personality. You finish that latte. You said, You said latte. Are you fond of coffee or something? It slows our guys. It's Gemma, so you can give it different things, rules and whatever and thing. Let's just say I have a very sophisticated appreciation for the finer things in life. Coffee is a tool, a necessary tool. So you kind of see how this works, and it's just to take out the whole actually copying and pasting and making a specific model file and then having to type everything in here, yada yada. So yeah, hope that this helps everybody and gives you an idea. You can find this on my itch.io shop. It's free. There's a little donation if you want. If you like it, it makes your life easier. $1, $2, I don't care. This is just to help everybody out. So hope this makes life a little easier for you and you make some cool characters. Have a great day.